Hello and welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today I have an unboxing and it is from AliExpress, and I picked up these few items here. So I did pick up a pocket size Moterm planner and I will link it down in the description. So this will be being added to my July 2021 planner lineup. Currently, I am in a clear pocket, so I do have Louis Vuitton PM Agenda, which I moved out to the clear for summer, and now I'm going to be moving into this Moterm because now I'm doing, I've added budgeting videos, and that way I can carry my cash envelopes in here, keep my change in here, because I was going between a wallet, my planner, and really and truly, I just want one sort of system that I can use everything on the go and not have to keep switching back and forth when I'm at the cash register, I'm checking out. It's already complicated enough with all the protocols. So yeah, let's jump into it. So let me show you this cute little shopping cart that I picked up. So this little shopping cart, I just bought it for like decorative purposes. I've always seen it in people's craft rooms, and I thought it would be a cute little thing just to sort of put like stuff that I want to grab. So I'm thinking to put maybe my clips and stuff like that in here that I use for my planners, and then I could put this on my desk as a little decor. I've seen people put like mini little washies. Like, how cute is that? So that is what it looks like, and if you're interested, I will link it down in the description as well. Okay, so I brought back some scissors to dive into this stuff. So the next thing that I picked up is a Moterm clip, and I believe it's very similar to an Ollie clip. I do have one on my Louis Vuitton desk agenda, so I do know what they look like. I do have a black one already, and I ended up picking up, I believe this color is called taupe. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. And that is a cute little box. I love their packaging. Like, I mean, for their presentation, it's great because I feel like they make, for the price point, you know, it is a little pricey for these items, but it's definitely worth it for the quality. And they are leather items, so I think it's great. So this is the taupe version of their Croc clip. As I said, I do have the black, so I wanted to have a little contrast. So that is what the clip looks like. And it is just in their Croc style, and then it has like different sort of prints on each side, and it just clips, so you could use it as a page finder or use it for decoration, whatever you want to use it for. So that is what it looks like. And so what I have been waiting for, and I'm sure all of you guys are waiting for, is this Moterm. So same thing. I love the presentation of how they said the Moterms. They are beautiful. So this is a Moterm. I will link exactly the name of this one and this particular style, because they do carry different versions of this planner. So here is what it looks like. It comes in this beautiful suede case. The suede case I love because it keeps it nice and protected. So it is a bit of a chunkier planner, and it comes on quite big discs. I believe these ones are 30 millimeters that come on here, which are a little too chunky for me, as right now I am using this, which is my pocket, and you can see in comparison how big the two are. So I'm going to switch out the rings in this, and as well change out the silver to gold. So in here, it just has this opening here where you can put money, put your cash in here. If you want to carry any receipts, it can go in the back there. And then on this side, I love that it does have a little zipper here. So this zipper pocket here, you can carry your change and all your items in here. And it just has a brown lining. And then here at the back, you have your pen loop. So what I love about this is you do have this pen loop here, and you do have a fly leaf, which I will show you that you can put a pen in as well. And then here you do have a card slot for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards at the back. So lots of room for cards. You can put anything in this back flap as well, along with this other flap you have here. So you have lots of storage in here, and it is quite a chunky planner, which I love, but maybe a little too chunky for me. So what I'm going to do is show you how you remove the rings, and I am going to put in these new rings here. So inside you do have so all of these things are from Moterm. So when you order it, yeah, I probably should have did that before, right? So here are the rings that you do get when you order this. I believe these are 19 millimeters, and it comes with, you get the ring, and you get like little clips to go in here. So let's just take all of this out so you can see it. And I don't believe you can get any like other colors other than like silver interior, so that maybe would be nice as an option eventually, but nonetheless they do have the option where you can switch them out. So in here I'm just using an eyeglasses, it's a little eyeglasses, but you could use a bigger one, but I don't want to scratch it up, so I thought this would be a better option. That way I do not scratch out so I don't scratch the metal part. And I will just put this aside. If I want to switch it out, or if I want to sell it, I would sell it with the original. And then all you're going to do is take your new one and put it in there like that. And this does come, as you could see. Let's take a look and I'll show you. So I guess I would have to unscrew this part, because this would be the base that would go in there, but so let me just see. My hands are a little sticky because I do have on lotion. So let me try to take this off and I'm going to come back. Okay, so I am back. So I had to just get a bigger screwdriver because, as you can see, in terms of comparison, this is quite bigger. I really didn't want to scratch it, so I was trying to use a little bit of a not so big one, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And so the good thing is you don't need these pieces here. At least if they get worn out, then I guess you would change them, but I don't know how you would get to it without having to cut the agenda, which I don't need. You don't see the silver underneath. So as you can see, it is very simple to put them in. And I don't want to over tighten it, so that's the thing with these pieces. They're magnetic, but once you get it in, then you're okay. So as you can see, it's quite simple to put it in, you know, so don't feel intimidated that, you know, if you don't like the silver, you're not going to buy it because you don't like those rings, but you can definitely change them out as you like. So as simple as that, I just changed out my rings to smaller ones. And let me show you the comparison and how big these rings are compared to that. So I didn't want anything that big to carry, so that way I can use it on like the tighter one and I don't need such a big loop. So that is what it looks like once it's inside. And it is leather, so it will form to whatever's in here. So if you don't want to stretch it out, then definitely I would say kind of size down. They do have, I believe, I have a 25 as well in a rose gold, and then there's a 30. So you can order like any size you wish. So the next item that comes in here is your fly leaf. So this is a fly leaf in the same Croc pattern. So that is what it looks like. I absolutely adore it because it does have a pen loop here as well, as you can see. And then you do have at the front, it is the Croc pattern. And then when you flip it over, you have 1, 2, 3 more card slots. So definitely lots of room to use this as a wallet. So I'm just going to pop this in here. Make sure these rings are good. And as you can see, you want to make sure there's no like gaps in your rings, so that way things don't fall out. And that is what it looks like. So I think definitely for the price point and what you get, it is a beautiful pocket size agenda. It is a little bit bigger than your average sort of pocket size. I would believe that you probably can do like the pocket wide, I believe that's what it's called. And it is a little bit bigger than this one. But let me just show you in comparison to what it looks like with just your standard sort of pocket and what you can get away with in terms of like a bigger size like insert. So you could do wide inserts in here. So that is what it looks like, and I am going to do hopefully a video soon showing you the setup and what I'm going to be putting inside of here. So you guys stay tuned, and if you haven't seen my July 2021 planner lineup, as I said, I will link in the iCards. Check that out, and then you can see what I am using for the rest of this year as my planner lineup. So everyone take care. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good evening.